Wonder what it's like to use Facebook if you are not able to see? Turn on your sound to experience it. Screen readers, like this one, read aloud what's on the screen, making Facebook accessible to the millions of people worldwide who can't see. And now Facebook's new technology can tell them what's in a photo. Facebook search. What's on your mind? Xiaomi Wu, March 6 at 10:14 p.m., with my college buddies in my favorite place, ready for a great weekend. Photo, image may contain, tree, sky, outdoor. Demetrix Sanders and 7 others reacted. Manohar Pallery, March 6 at 7:48 p.m., Sunday night splurge. Photo, image may contain, pizza food. UN 17 others reacted, 13 comments 2 shares. Peter Cottle, March 6 at 4:22 p.m., we finally made it. Photo, image may contain, 2 people, smiling, sunglasses, sky, outdoor, water. Astha Agarwal and 29 others reacted. Facebook's mission is to connect the world. And that goes for everyone.